Hey friends, Andrew here. If you're a frequent user of Google Sheets on your Windows 11 PC, then I'm going to show you how to quickly install this as an application on your computer. So you want to head over to google.com and you simply want to click the Google Apps on the uppermost right hand side. Scroll all the way down to where you'll find Sheets and open that. Now once your sheet is open, in order to install this as an application, you need to click the three dots on the uppermost right hand side of Chrome and go down to where you see Save and Share and click Create Shortcut. Now you're not just creating a shortcut here. I'm going to show you how to install it as an application. All you have to do is simply click and open as a window and then click and create. Now have a look at the lower right hand side. You see Apps. It is installed as an application. Now to prove that this is an application, all you need to do is just simply click the three dots here and you will see Uninstall Sheets. Another way you can simply go ahead to see that is an application is simply click the Windows icon on your taskbar and simply type in Sheets. And as you can see here, it says Sheets and it says an app. So you know that this is an application here. Now if you no longer want this on your computer, you can easily uninstall this by clicking the three dots here and simply click on Uninstall, then click Remove. And that's how easy it is, guys, to install Google Sheets as an application on a Windows 11 PC.